Look at the power of my eye. Isn't this shit freaky? Hi. My name is David Blane, Dome Freak. I'm what you call a street performer. Isn't this shit freaky? How I keep going in and out? And all using the power of my bracelets. Dome Freak. And when I do my eye like this, that means some shit is about to go down. Because I'm David Blane. But today, I be walking the street and I see two women. And I perform simple trick. Just taking the apple and changing the apple into a bone. They were pretty freaked out over that. Cause my eye, I wanted to do a trick that was so big, a big trick. So I want to find a black man and I want to change his hair color to blonde. Yes, yes. Freaky shit, right? You're watching. Dome Freak. Look at the power of my eye. Do you believe that I can change his hair to be blonde?
Yes. Some bullshit.
He thinks I am bullshit and I am David Blane. Dome Freak.
Bullshit.
This is bullshit, huh? Okay. By the jingling of my bracelets. Bracelets jingle. Oh, you finding me funny?
This is hilarious.
Okay. By the jingling of my bracelets. I command your hair to be blonde.
Oh my God, I'm calling the police.
Shit.
Come back here.
You gonna put my motherfucking head back on or it's gonna be a problem.
Dome Freak. Look at the power of my eye.